To comply with financial regulations, PayPal requires users to complete KYC verification to remove account limitations and enable full functionality, such as higher transaction limits and withdrawals. Log into your PayPal account, visit PayPal's website or open the PayPal app. Enter your credentials and access your account dashboard. Go to the verification section. Click on the notifications bell icon or check for a prompt that says verify your account. Alternatively, go to settings, account limits to check required documents. Provide required documents. Proof of identity. Upload a government-issued ID like a passport, driver's license or national ID. Proof of address. Submit a bank statement, utility bill or any official document with your name and address. Bank or card linking. Add and verify a bank account or credit or debit card. Submit and wait for approval. PayPal typically reviews documents within 48 to 72 hours. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation email and your account will have full access.